Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we will be learning about Azure Marketplace. A marketplace is very similar to your Google Play Store or you check it App Store on your iPhone or Mac specific. So what exactly Azure Marketplace is? This is where they are the vendors are not just the vendors, even Microsoft also uploads the developed applications or maybe services which are available in the marketplace. So you can simply go ahead and use them. For example, if you see here, if you just go and open Azure Marketplace.microsoft.com, this talks about your infrastructure as a service specific firewall. For example, what it's going to do is it's going to actually create the threat protection for your entire services. So the firewall which is you use normally on your on-premises like Checkpoint, now the same service or the same appliance also available within the marketplace. So you can configure that kind of configuration so that you can use it. For example, Sophos Firewall. So this can be used to configure on your marketplace so that you can use them. Similarly, we try to use some of other products like SQL Server or some other things. You can always use this marketplace. So if you see here this video, all the close to thousands of applications, maybe if I'm correct, the number close to 10,000 plus or 8,000 plus different products are available within the marketplace. So all these products can be used here. You can give a try and you can try them. Some of them give you as a test basis, some of them are available on a free trial, some of them are you're gonna buy it. So like that, you can use those products and you can configure the way you want it. Let's say I can search for the SQL example, simply SQL specific. So you see here SQLite is available from Microsoft and SQL Gate is available. So all these are the options that you can check out. Now you can check out here, see if I search it, Azure SQL Analysis Service is available, and this is the Redgate SQL Monitor is a third party from Redgate software which will monitor my SQL Server which is available. So if I want, I can use it, and this is how you just simply buy it from Marketplace, and then you can integrate with your services. So that way it would be very useful when you're looking for any of the services you want to extend and introduce into your cloud services. So if you are the developer, you can also create your own application and you can upload to marketplace so that people can buy it. So you have here the categories, you can choose it. For example, we had a look on most of them are the security specific like Checkpoint, other things, but if you are looking for some other space specific to computing, you have these services which are available like SQL on SQL on Ubuntu 160.8 build. So this is not not by default. So Microsoft is offering this build, and this is the similarly Scale Arc from for SQL Server is available for free of cost, and they might give you as a free, but later point they might ask you to pay if you are trying to use their premium services. So you have many options. So for example, if you are the developer, if you have some kind of or developing thought process, you can develop specific to any of these Microsoft specific products and can be hosted. But this entire course is specific to what is available and you can use it. Let's say you can use a DHCL specific one and you can integrate with Azure AD to access DHCL services and then get it benefited. Similarly, SAP, all that. I hope this is useful for you to learn more about Azure Marketplace, and you can filter all these options are available. You can give a try on this.